Once you confirm the vehicle is parked safely, remove the transfer case shift knob by simply unscrewing it counterclockwise. To install the Ranger series shift knob, we need to first remove the Velcro patch. Then we can thread it onto the shaft spinning clockwise. Our unique center screw locking mechanism allows you to fix the shift knob at any height and orientation. Once you're satisfied with the orientation, tighten the center screw with supplied 4mm Allen key. We want about 8 to 10 foot-pounds, but just use your common sense. And at last, reapply the Velcro patch and you're all set for the transfer case. Now take a break and admire your newly transformed interior. I hope you enjoy the new and engaging shifting experience.